Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about a monolith which recently appeared near my house and how does it look and really what it is. So I live in Ahmedabad and yesterday I got the news that a pyramid-like or a prism-like shape has been appeared on Thaltej area and I was really excited about it. So this is how the monolith looks like, and this is different from all the other countries' monolith as it has some numbers written on it which are the longitude and latitudes of some places in India. So these places are like Ranthambore, Dima Range, Kanchanguri, Assam and Javaiband. So as said by the authorities over there that this monolith is man-made object, not something kind of alien thing, and we can't believe it. This all happened just yesterday and they are saying this is artificial. The truth is, we don't know. Thank you for watching this video guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel too.